Welcome back, children. In this video, I'm going to discuss you coordinate geometry chapter 19. In this chapter, we have to cover what do you mean by ordered pair, what do you mean by abscissa, what do you mean by ordinate, what do you mean by coordinates, and how to plot in the graph paper. Remember one thing, I am not having the graph paper here, so by assuming I will plot it, but if you are going to plot same points in your graph paper, you will get your exact figure. So you have to watch this video till end. Now, chapter 19, coordinate geometry. First of all, we know what do you mean by ordered pair. We have already studied in standard 8, means a little bit introduction. So, ordered pair means an ordered pair is a pair of object taken in a specific order. So, an ordered pair is written by listing its two members in a specific order, separating them by a comma and enclosing the pair in parentheses. In order, pair AB, A is called the first number and B is called the second number. Write down please. So this is A and B ordered pair. So A is first number and B is second number. This is first number, this is second number. Write down please. Now equality of ordered pair. Equality of ordered pair. Ordered pair, we can write that if two ordered pair is given AB and CD. So we can write what? AB equal to CD if and only if what? A equal to C and B equal to D. Write down please. Now Cartesian plane. When two numbered lines perpendicular to each other are placed together so that the two origins coincide, then resulting configuration is called a Cartesian plane. See, two number line. This is y dash. This is x dash. Now origin means they are what? Crossing each other at where? O. This is known as origin. So they are coinciding each other. So this plane is known as what? Cartesian plane. So 1 number lines 2, 3, 4. Here this side y dash we can write what? -1, -2, -3, -4, so on. Here 1, this side positive. 1, 2, 3, 4. -1, -2, -3, -4. So this is known as what? These two number lines are coincide each other, means that is origin. Okay, then resulting configuration is called Cartesian plane. So this place in planes is known as a Cartesian plane. Now we have to go for what? What do you mean by coordinates point? So coordinate points means, suppose this is your plane. If in this plane the points are given one P point. Suppose this P point is x and y, and x and y. So here this suppose here this is point is M point. Okay, so for that time you omit that number. Okay, omit the number, so we can easily understand what do you mean by this is P, this is M. Suppose this point is M. So x axis means this is your origin. OM is known as what? OM is known as or called x coordinate or abscissa, means x coordinate or abscissa. This is known as abscissa. abscissa, and this means y coordinate means MP. This is your MP. So this is known as what? Ordinate. This is known as ordinate. Ordinate. And together known as this point P point is known as coordinate. So means PM means OM. This OM is known as abscissa, and PM is known as ordinate, and together known as coordinate in the of the Cartesian plane. Means x and y are taken together are called Cartesian coordinate, or Cartesian or simple coordinates of P are denoted by x and y. 2 points are x and y. Write down please. Now quadrants. So this quadrant is known as what? Here this is first quadrant. This is your first quadrant. First quadrant always positive, means x-axis is also positive and y is also positive, means positive and positive. This is our second quadrant. Second quadrant means x-axis negative, okay, and y-axis positive. Second quadrant. Third quadrant x-axis negative and y-axis also negative. And this is our fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant means what? X-axis positive, y-axis negative. These are the important things you have to note down in your copy. Please write down. So first quadrant always positive, second quadrant negative and positive, third quadrant negative, fourth quadrant positive and negative. Write down please. Means after quadrant, then we will graphically representation on Cartesian plane. These are the easy thing. Now distance formula. Distance formula is also important formula. How to derive this one we have to see. Suppose P and Q are 2 points given in the plane. This is P. This point is given x1 y1. P point is given x1 y1. Okay, and this is Q point is given what? x2 y2. So from P to PM I am drawn one perpendicular line, okay, on x-axis, and from Q to QN, little bit extend. Okay, this is O origin, this is PM, and this is PN. 90 degree because perpendicular. Now join this one. Let it be R only, and join this part. Okay. Now from here we can write let P coordinates are x1 y1 and Q coordinates are x2 y2. Now draw PM and QN perpendicular to what? Perpendicular to x-axis. Perpendicular to or perpendicular on x-axis. X-axis. Okay. And PR perpendicular on NQ. This is N, this is Q. And PR perpendicular on NQ. Now from the figure we can understand. From the figure we can understand that PR is equal to Mn, and Mn equal to what? Mn equal to On minus OM. And now see the coordinate. OM minus OM equal to what? x2 minus x1. Let it be question number 1. Now From the figure, once again we have to compare RQ. So RQ equal to, we can write NQ minus NR, and NR equal to what? PM. So I can write what? NQ minus PM. Now see the coordinate. So this will be what? Y2 minus Y1. Let it be equation number 2. Equation number 2. From the right triangle, see, this is also right triangle. So I got the value of what? PR and RQ. Now we can easily find out the PQ. PQ means what? This is your hypotenuse. By Pythagoras theorem we can write what? In triangle PRQ. In triangle PRQ, by Pythagoras theorem we can write what? PQ square equal to PR square plus RQ square, means I can write what? PQ equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is our what? This is known as what? Distance formula. This is known as distance formula. Okay, so this we have to use in our letter exercise. Please write down. This is a very, very important formula. One, find the coordinates of the point whose abscissa is 3 and ordinate is 4. So points equal be what? Abscissa is given 3 and ordinate is minus 4. So this is our required answer. Write down please. Now 1/5, it is given whose abscissa is 3 and lies on the x-axis. Lies on the x-axis means what? Ordinate is means what? Lies on the x-axis means what? Abscissa is given. So y-axis, if abscissa is given, so ordinate will be what? 0. And origin, as we know, in origin the coordinates are what? 0, 0. Okay. If x-axis, that time whatever the ordinate means coordinate will be given, that, and in the ordinate place we have to write 0. So it is given what? It is given minus 2. Ordinates abscissa is given minus 2. So abscissa is minus 2 and ordinate will be what? Because it is x-axis, so it will be 0 only. Write down please. Now question number 6, it is given 1/6, it is given whose ordinate is given 3/2 and lies on y-axis. So ordinate is given what? 3/2. So this is our ordinate and abscissa will be what? 0, because it is lies on the y-axis. So this is our required answer. Write down please. Question number 7.1, it is given plot the following points and check whether they are collinear or not. So points are given 1 and 3, means x-axis 1 and y-axis 3. So it will come here only, 1 and 3. Then minus 1 and minus 1. So minus 1 and minus 1, it will come here, because minus 1 and minus 1. Then third point is given minus 2 and 3. So minus 2 and 3. Means x-axis 3 and y-axis 2. So this is minus 3 and minus, it is minus 2 and 3. So minus 2 and 3. Yes, here it will come minus 2 and 3. Now you join this line. Yes, it will come. Once you put in the graph paper, it will come definitely this one only. Okay, because we are assuming here now, so that's why just the line is looking little bit what? taper, but it will come in a straight line. So if 3 points are come in the same line is known as collinear. Yes, yes, these points are, yes, collinear. Yes, these points are collinear. Yes, these points are collinear. 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 Write down, please. Now we have to move exercise 19. Yes, children, once again 19.1. You have to please compare your question with your book, because I am comparing, means I am doing the sum by old book as well as new book. Question number 16. This is from your new book. It is given two lines, means one cut. This is your Cartesian plane. The figure is given like this only. So this is y dash, x dash, origin b, and this distance is given 2a. According to the question, it is given the adjoining figure shows that an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means what? This side is 2a, so this side also 2a, this side also 2a. Now draw a perpendicular line. Okay, if this is 2a, so it will be what? Its coordinate will be a and 0 only. So this is a, this is also a. Okay, now first of all, from I can write, draw a perpendicular line, means AD, this is D, this is given 2A, this is D. Draw AD perpendicular to OB. So DA equal to what? DA equal to OA square by Pythagoras theorem, OA square minus OD square. Now see, OA is what? Because it is 0, what? 2a minus 0, so it will be 2a whole square minus a square. Therefore dA equal to 4a square minus a square, it will come 3 under root 3a square, that is root under 3a. Now coordinates of O. Because it is in the origin x-axis and y-axis, so point means coordinates equal to what? O, it will be 0, 0. Okay, A equal to what? A equal to, it will be A and root 3a and B equal to, it will come what? Y-axis 0 and A is what? 2a. So coordinates will be 2a and 0. This is our required answer. Please write down. Now we have to move exercise 19.2. Now exercise 19.2, draw the graphs of the following, means given equation in the graph paper. So remember one thing, once again I'm telling you, I'm not having any graph paper in plain board. I'm doing, maybe your figure little bit differ from your original figure. So you have to, means whatever the points are there, you have to plot it, you will get your required answer definitely. So I can write what? 2x, it is given 2x plus y equal to 3. Therefore this implies that I can write what? Y equal to take 2x this side, so minus 2x, and 3 also this side, it will be minus 3. Now x and y. I'm taking the points. Okay, any 3 points you take, it depends on you only. But this is my earnest request. You have to take points in such a way that you can easily plot in the graph paper easily. So if x equal to 0, x equal to 0 means 2 into minus 0 equal to minus 3. So it will come what? Minus 3. Now x equal to 1. So 2 into minus 2 into 1, minus 2 and minus 2, and it will be minus 5. Minus 5. If I'm taking minus 1, so minus 2 minus plus 2 plus 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1. So these are the points. Now draw in a graph paper the such a way that this is, as we know, y dash, this is x dash, this is x. Okay, I am assuming the point is origin, assuming the point 1 2 3 4 5. This is plus 1 2 3 4 5, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. Okay, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. Remember, 1 unit equal to 1 centimeter you can take, or 2 centimeter, depends on you only. But if in the book it is given 1 unit equal to 2 centimeters, so that time you have to follow like that only. So now plot what? 0 and minus 3. So here x-axis is 0, so 0 and minus 3, it will come here only. So 0 and minus 3, 0 and minus 3, this is 0 and minus 3. Okay, now 1 and minus 5, 1 and minus 5, it will come here only. 0 means what? It will come, this point will come here only. 1 and minus 5, 1 and minus 5. Okay, then next point is coming. Now third point is minus 1 and minus 1, here only. Minus 1 and minus 1. So now join this one. This is our equation, that is what? 2x plus y equal to 3. So this is from your exercise 16.2. 19.3, it is given, solve the following equation graphically. 3x minus 2y equal to 4 and 5x minus 2y equal to 0 means graphical solution of pair of linear equation. See, so I can write first equation, 3x minus 2y equal to 4, so minus 2y equal to 4 minus 3x. Okay, multiplying both the side by minus, so it will come what? 2y equal to minus 4 plus minus 3x. Therefore y equal to what? Y equal to minus 4 plus 3x by 2. Now we have to consider some value. We have to take some value, or we can write like this part, you can write like this only, 3x minus 4 by 2. Now take the values of x and y, and whatever the point will come, you will put in your graph paper. Okay, if I am putting x equal to 0, x equal to 0 means what? 3 minus 2, yes, it will come minus 2. Okay, if I am putting the value of x equal to 2, it will come 1. If I am putting 4, it will come 4. This is the equation number, means first equation points are there. You can assume any value, but you have to see the graph paper. Okay, according to paper you have to put the value, otherwise your means what, if your value will take bigger, so it is very difficult to plot on the graph paper. Now here I can do like this only, minus 2y equal to, take 5x this side, so it will come minus 5x. So minus minus cancel, y equal to what? Minus 5x by 2. 5x by 2. Now same, x, take the value either x or y, you will get the value. If I am taking x equal to what? 0, so it will come 0. If I am taking 2, it will come 5. If I am taking minus 2, it will come minus 5. So two equation and their value I am taken. So different what points has come. Write down. Now this is I'm just considering a graph paper. Okay, 1 2 3 4 minus 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 minus 1 2 3 4 5, minus 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Now whatever the value has come, we have to put equation 1. The value has come x equal to 0, then y equal to minus 2, then 2 minus 1, 4, 4. If equation 2, 0 0, 2 and 5, 2 and minus 2, we have to plot this one. So first has come 0 and y has come what? X is 0 and y is minus 2. So this is our, okay, 0 and minus 2, minus 2, 2 and 1, 2 and 1. Now see in equation 1, 0 minus 2, 0 minus 2, 2 and 1, 2 and 1, 4 and 4. Now we have to plot this one. So this is what? 0 0, so it will come only origin only. So 0 0 0 0. Okay, then 2 5, 2, okay, and 5 it will come here only, 2 and 5, 2 and 5. X axis 2, y axis 5. Okay, then minus 2 minus 5, minus 2, minus 2 and 5 it will come here only, minus 2 and minus 5. Write down please. So after plotting the points in the axis, y axis, x axis, so we will get like this only. But remember, once again I am telling you, I am whatever the assuming figure I am taking, it will come exactly if you put in the graph paper, because I am plain, means plain board I am doing it. That's why it is looking a little bit differ. So our point will come here only. So therefore from the graph we can find out that value of y equal to what? What you have to find? We have to find out, solve the following equation graphically. 3x minus 2y equal to 4, 5x minus 2y equal to 0. So write down from the graph we can find out that it is coming what? Falling out the meeting. Two lines are meeting out where? Y equal to x equal to what? Minus 2. X equal to minus 2 and y equal to minus 5. Minus 5. Write down please. This is our points which is meeting two lines. Exercise 19.4, distance formula. Here it is going to find the distance between the following points of the points. So points are given 2, 3 and 4, 1. So as we know, this is x1, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. By the distance formula we know what? Distance equal to what we know? We know under root x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This also whole square. Okay, so our x2 is what? 4. 4 minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square. It will come 2 square plus minus 2 square equal to 4 plus 4 equal to root under 8. Root under 8 we can write 4 into 2, that is what? 2 root 2. So distance will be what? 2 root 2. This is our required answer. Write down please. Yes, question number 5 it is given. Find the points on the x-axis which is equidistant from the points 2 and -5 and -2 and 9. Now, so by using I have to write what? Using distance formula. Let the required points on x-axis be what? X and 0, because why? X-axis on the axis, yeah, x, it will be x, and y-axis will be 0. Now then the distance between what? Then distance between x and 0 and 2 and -5, we can easily write down. Okay, equal to the distance between what? Equal to, it will be equal to whom? It will equal to distance between this equal to x 0 and one more points are given, -2 and 9, -2 and 9. So we can write what? Under root, this is our x2 minus x whole square plus -5 minus 0 whole square is equal to whom? Is equal to under root -2 minus x whole square minus 2 minus x whole square plus 9 minus 0 whole square. Now squaring both the side, if squaring both the sides, it will be what? 2 minus x square plus -5 whole square equal to -2 minus x whole square equal plus 9 whole square. Up here, write down please, up to here. So a minus b whole square, we can write a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, and 5 minus 5 whole square, it will come what? It will come 25. Now this 4 cancel. Okay, now x square cancel. A minus b whole square, here also a minus b whole square. Okay, x square cancel, 4 cancel. So take this minus x this side, and I am taking this 4x this side. So minus 4x, this implies that I can write minus 4x equal to 81 minus 25 is equal to what? Minus 8x is equal to 56. Therefore x equal to 56 by 8, and this is minus, so my 7. So therefore x equal to, this implies that I can write, x equal to minus 56 by 8, therefore minus 7. Therefore points will be what? This is the value of x, therefore point will be what? X, the value of x has come minus 7 and it is lies on the x-axis, so it will be 0. This is our required answer. Write down please. For watching this video, Till end, please share, subscribe, and like the channel. Wishing a very Merry Christmas and New Year. Thank you. Have a nice day.